Today, we're going to practice ordinal numbers from 1st to 20th. Ordinal numbers tell us the position or order of things, like first, second, third, and so on. These are useful when talking about dates, rankings, instructions, or events in a sequence. Some of them can be tricky to pronounce, especially those ending in that TH sound. But don't worry, I'll say each one clearly and you'll have time to listen and repeat. We'll go slowly so you can hear the difference, practice the rhythm, and sound more natural when you speak English. Remember, repeat after me. Let's go. First, 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 second, 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 third, 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 fourth, 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 fifth, 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 sixth, 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 seventh, 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 eighth, 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 ninth, 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 tenth, 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 11th, 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 12th, 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 13th, 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 14th, 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 15th, 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 16th, 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 17th, 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 18th, 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 19th, 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 20th, 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 20th. Now, if you still need help with your ordinal numbers in English, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist for ordinal numbers. Check it out.